at Bradenton Riverwalk, and we're going to hand out some flowers. Today's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day out there, everybody. We'll let you know how it goes.
We had such a great time. It was amazing. People loved to receive flowers, even some of the skater guys. They were picking out the colors that they loved the most, which was so beautiful, and they were open to talk about things. We had several that wanted prayer. It was just an amazing time. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes, and you never know. It's all about planting seeds with people, and people remember that today someone cared for them and offered prayer for them, and that's why we do it. So we just pray all the lives that were touched today. May God just bless and keep them. And as you're hearing this, we pray that God would touch you too. And just know that He loves you very, very much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.